Under the sponsorship of Manipur Deputy Minister and MLA of Uripok Assembly Constituency, Yumnam Joy Kumar, roadside drains were cleaned in Uripok area today. District level Nasha Mukt Bharat Campaign Committee Thoubal today organized a one-day awareness program on prevention of substance and alcohol abuse at Lilong Ngangau Bazaar. The awareness program was organized under Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India. India's COVID-19 case load rose to 72,39,389 with 63,509 infections being reported in the day, while the number of people who have recuperated from the disease crossed 63 lakh, pushing the recovery rate to 87.05% in the past 24 hours, according to the Health Ministry data. A media report said the coronavirus death toll climbed to 1,10,586, with the virus claiming 730 lives in a span of 24 hours. The updated data at 8 a.m. today showed. The Phase 2 clinical trial results to determine the safety profile of India's two indigenously developed vaccine candidates against the coronavirus disease COVID-19 are expected by early November. According to media reports, Dr. V.K. Paul, chairman of the COVID-19 Empowered Group looking after vaccines, yesterday said vaccine candidates by the Indian Council of Medical Research (ICMR) and Bharat Biotech International Limited, Covaxin and Cadila Health (Zycov-D) are currently undergoing Phase 2 clinical trials in the country. Ayush, Ayurveda, Yoga and Naturopathy Unani Siddha Homeopathy Minister Shripad Yeso Nayak inaugurated the Regional Raw Drug Repository RRDR for Ayush Systems of Medicine in the National Institute of Siddha NIS in Tamil Nadu. According to media reports, the repository will play an important role in medicinal plant cultivation. With 230 persons from general population and 7 personnel from Central Armed Police Force were confirmed as new COVID-19 positive cases from different testing centers in the past 24 hours. The state's COVID-19 total cash tally has increased to 13,793. 4 persons died of the disease at Jennings, RIMS and Sija Hospital yesterday, taking the death toll to 97. The number of active cases stood at 2,867. The recovered cases stands at 10,829, while the recovery rate has surged to 78.51%. The India Meteorological Department today issued yellow alert for Hyderabad as it said that the deep depression was now moving towards Maharashtra. Heavy rains are expected in Vikarabad, Siddipet and Jagaon districts of Telangana. Considering the situation, the state government has declared a holiday for today and tomorrow. People's Democratic Party (PDP) President and former Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, Mehbooba Mufti, was released yesterday after being in preventive detention for more than 14 months, following the abrogation of Article 370 last year. The decision came 2 days before her daughter Iltija Mufti's petition challenging her detention was scheduled to be heard in the Supreme Court, the report said.